Peloponnese is a region in southern Greece, with Monemvasia being a magical town, originally carved in the Middle Ages on the slopes of a rock overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Kinsterna Hotel is a glorious luxury boutique hotel a few minutes from the center of town. Meticulously restored from a Byzantine-era rural mansion, Kinsterna is a self-sustainable and independent community with their own vineyard, olive grove, fruit-bearing trees, fertile vegetable patches, and aromatic herbal gardens. John TV got to forage for greens and herbs from the Kinsterna gardens and had a cooking lesson in making traditional Tsaiti pie with chef de cuisine George Hopsas. To prepare Tsaiti pies, start by washing all the greens and chop in a bowl. Add 2 pounds of feta cheese and pepper to the other contents. For the dough, incorporate all the ingredients together. 7 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of vinegar, a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 cups of water, creating a soft dough, which will be set aside for 30 minutes. When ready, separate the dough in 2 parts and roll it out. Use the filling as the stuffing and enclose the greens into the dough. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until brown.